This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Deana Kilber. Welcome home to beautiful Suffolk Meadows. Conveniently located near the Chesapeake/Suffolk border, and 264. This fantastic 3-bedroom, 2-bath brick ranch, with bonus frog, has been well maintained and is ready for your personalization. Open floor plan with gas fireplace, eat-in kitchen and separate dining area that could easily be converted into office space. Relax on the front porch, perfect for a set of rocking chairs, or the covered back patio overlooking a huge fenced backyard. For more information, review the details below.